First rates on your screen, and it's a good start for benchmark indices. It's a good start for benchmark indices. It's a decent start for Nifty. It's about 50 points higher for Nifty. Are we likely to go to 2000? Well, Reliance supported the market yesterday. The breadth is looking, I wouldn't say yo-yo, but it is looking formidable enough to make everybody look happy. And then you got a combination of Bajaj Finance, Sun Pharma, Tata Motors and L&T, which is making the markets look, very stand out. DMart, big analyst meeting. They're sounding confident of demand making a comeback. Is that having an impact on the stock? No. The valuations are so stretched in a stock like Avenue Supermart that it just becomes this stock, a great business to buy, maybe at a bad price. But if you frankly ask me, the real man of the match based on early trends today, this is just like the first ball, but looks like Cipla's off to a good start, and the news is really helping it. And I never thought I will use the word, refer to Colgate again, but yes, Colgate numbers for the quarter gone by actually have been very strong. 5-star, 735, hello. Big move there. Another stock in focus. Numbers like Sharad told us on Saturday, but 735 for 5-star. What a cutout it's been for 5-star.
Oh yes, indeed. That has been one stock that has certainly been in the spotlight. But let's also get in a take as to which are some of the other newsmakers in today's trading session that the street will closely be eyeing. Tech Mahindra, of course, continues to remain on the radar, largely on the back of its quarterly earnings. It's been nothing short of a very disappointing set of numbers. Axis Bank as well, the overall profits have grown about 40%. You've got brokerages that continue to maintain a buy on an Axis Bank, so that continues to remain in the spotlight. Something like a Dr. Reddy's, a thumbs up overall. Very healthy set of numbers, beat on margins as well. And Cipla too, Aisha, will be a stock to watch out for.
Yeah, but I think the biggest newsmaker this morning has got to be M&M after that acquisition of 3.5% stake in RBL for 417 crore rupees. Look at the crack on this stock, and I don't recall the last time, at least in the last 2 years, that the stock may have fallen 4% in a single shot. 1483 on M&M is where it is currently at, and I think more than this 3.5% stake, perhaps what the market may not be liking is that they have actually categorically mentioned that they may actually consider raising stake in RBL Bank. So it wouldn't really stop at this 3.5% stake, and now sliding 4% for M&M. I think that's the newsmaker this morning. The slide on M&M is not getting arrested. It's falling more than 4% as we speak right now. Okay, Tech Mahindra is something that we've already talked about. Let's see what Axis Bank as well is up to. The NIMs are lowest in about 3 quarters. The operating profit has seen a decline sequentially for a second straight quarter. Mildly in the red for Axis as we speak right now. RVNL, what's that up to? Considering that the government is now looking at selling that 5.3% stake in the company via OFS, the floor price has been set at 119. 128 is what you're seeing right now on RVNL. REC, I want to check in on that also, because REC PFC, while they may be very actively traded off late, but REC numbers have not been anything disappointing, anything impressive rather, largely disappointing or hugely disappointing. The net interest margins have come in at an 8-year low. The NII is down 12%. So these are a couple of laggards in trade. But REC as a stock is not really seeing any damage this morning. Colgate, of course, is a stock that Nikunj highlighted. Cipla as well is something that he flagged off. DRL2, wherein the EBITDA has risen 20%. The numbers are, a great set across the board. DRL starts off with a 0.5% gain. Then, of course, there's, a couple of other names like a SIS, that is, a Syngene, there's Jindal Stainless as well. These two have come out with a decent set of numbers. But Kunal, what are the first trades that you're punching in? Anything on M&M?
Nothing on M&M as of now. We'll have to wait and watch how the prices settle up. But I think GAIL is something which looks attractive. In fact, many of these PSU stocks, GAIL, ONGC, NTPC, they are reconfirming breakouts for themselves. So GAIL is something which I would look to trade in the open.
Right. Naresh, what are the first trades that you're punching this morning?
So looking at a bounce back in Bandhan Bank, the stock has corrected quite a bit and started to making a reversal here. So keeping a stop loss at 214, expecting a bounce slowly towards 240 plus.
Well, it gives me great pleasure